to show partial quotient division. I know that it's a new strategy, so I'm hoping that a videotape watching me walk through it will help parents to help with homework. So if you have 125 and you're dividing it by 5, you have 125 in your total, and you're going to divide it into 5 groups. I know that I've used beans and M&Ms and marshmallows as different examples. So I say that you have 125 total. You're going to share it with your 5 friends. So here are your 5 friends. We want to start with numbers that are easy to do in our head. So we can do 5, and we know we can give each one of our friends 10 to start, and that equals 50. So if I give friend 1 10, friend 2 friend 10, friend 3 10, friend 4 10, friend 5 10, I've given 50 from my total. So now I'm going to subtract that 50 from my total number of M&Ms. So now I have 75 left. With those 75, I have my 5 friends, and I need to figure out how many I can give each one. Well, I can give them each 10 more, and that's 50 from my total. So now I'm going to subtract the 50 from my total, and I have 25 left. Now, I can count by 5s, and I can give each of my 5 friends 5, and that makes 25. So that I can take those 25 from my total, and I have none left. To figure out the answer, I need to figure out how many I gave each friend. Well, first I gave them 10, then I gave them 10 more, then I gave them 5. So we're going to add up these numbers to figure out how many we gave our friends. And we gave each friend 25. So the answer here is 25 with no remainder. That is one example of partial quotient. If I wanted to show partial quotient with a remainder, I could do 134 divided by 3. I have 3 friends with 134 M&Ms total to start with. My 3 friends, I know I can give each of my 3 friends 20 to start, and that's 60. Now you could have started with 10, but I just knew to go to 20. So I can give each one 20. I can subtract 60 from my total, and I'm left with 74. Now I can give them each 20 again. So I can do 3 times 20, which equals 60. And I can subtract the 60 from my total. I'm left with 14. Now, I have trouble counting by 3s, so I can count by 2s, and I know that 3 times 2 equals 6. So I can give them each 6. I have enough. I can give them each 2. So now I'm going to subtract the 6 from my total. And I have 8 left. I have 8 left. So now I can give them each 6. I can give them each 2 more. 3 times 2 equals 6 minus 6. And I have 2 left over. I need to stop because if I only have 2, I don't have enough to share with my 3 friends. So I have a remainder of 2 out of my 3 friends. So 2/3 is my remainder. Now I need to figure out how many I gave each friend. So first I gave them 20, then I gave them 20 more, then I gave them 2, then I gave them 2 more. So when I add up this column, which the kids all know that this is column B, and we always add column B as long as we stay nice and organized, 20 plus 20 plus 2 plus 2 equals 42. So my quotient is 42. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or text me. I hope this helped.